You're launching an AI startup. Exciting, right? But here's the hard truth. Most new AI startups fail, and it's rarely because of the technology. The tech is better and more accessible than ever. The real pitfalls are fundamental, hidden in plain sight. Today, we'll break down the 7 most common mistakes AI founders make, and how to avoid them. Whether you're building SaaS, an agency, or a deep tech startup, this is your practical field guide. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Falling in love with the tech, not the problem. The best companies start with a real painful problem someone will pay to solve. AI is just the tool. Ask, who is my customer? What's their biggest pain? Is AI the best solution, or would a simple tool work? If you can't answer, you're building a project, not a business. Customers don't care about your architecture. They care about saving time or solving headaches. Start with empathy, validate the pain, then build with AI. Found a real problem? Great. But the AI space is crowded. We use AI isn't a selling point anymore, it's table stakes. You need a moat, go deep on a niche, leverage proprietary data, or integrate deeply into customer workflows. Make your product 10 times better for a specific user, not just a little faster or cheaper. Without clear differentiation, you'll drown in the noise and end up competing on price. A race you can't win. Ask, why us? If you can't answer, rethink your approach. Stand out or get lost. Don't assume powerful AI makes up for bad UX. AI can feel unpredictable. Your job is to make it accessible and trustworthy. Guide users with clear instructions, smart defaults, and examples. Build feedback loops and give users control. Undo buttons are a must. Be transparent about what the AI does and its limits. Great tech with bad UX is a failed product. Make your AI feel like a helpful partner, not a black box. The big reveal is a trap. AI moves too fast for year-long stealth. Build a minimum viable product, MVP, that solves one real problem, even if it's rough. Launch early, get real feedback, and iterate quickly. Don't wait for perfection. If you're not a little embarrassed by V1, you launched too late. Adapt based on user input, not assumptions. Fast feedback beats secret perfection every time. Every founder must understand the AI stack, no excuses. Know the difference between APIs and custom models, and the costs and trade-offs of each. Technical constraints like latency, bias, and scaling costs are business problems too. If you don't get the basics, you'll make promises you can't keep, and pricing that sinks you. You don't need a PhD, but you must be conversant. Learn enough to make smart, sustainable decisions. Don't wait until launch to think about customers. Build your go-to-market strategy from day one. Start a newsletter, share your journey, and build a community. Do things that don't scale, personal outreach, calls, and onboarding. When you market, focus on outcomes, how you save time or boost results, not just features. Distribution is half the battle. Launch to a waiting audience, not an empty room. Your tech is the how. Customers care about the what. Ethics and compliance aren't later problems, they're day one priorities. Handle user data responsibly, audit for bias, and be transparent about your AI's limits. A single mistake can destroy trust forever. Make privacy and fairness core features, not afterthoughts. Clear policies and user control build trust, and trust is your biggest competitive edge. Responsible AI isn't just good ethics, it's good business. Let's recap. Avoid these 7 traps. Solve real problems, differentiate, prioritize UX, launch early, understand the tech, build your go-to-market, and bake in ethics. Use this as your checklist. Be honest about where you stand. Fix weaknesses now, not after the market exposes them. Avoiding these mistakes puts you ahead of most startups. Build on a strong, sustainable foundation. If this helped, like and comment below. What's your biggest challenge as an AI founder? Thanks for watching. See you next time.